Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We all aspire to have a grin that is bright and white, since it indicates excellent health and confidence. Yet there are so many teeth whitening products on the market that it can be difficult to decide which one to use. Hence, watch the entire video to learn the secret hook that will revolutionize teeth whitening. We have extensively researched teeth whitening from multiple sources in order to provide a comprehensive and exclusive list for you. Lemon juice and baking soda. To make a paste, combine a teaspoon of lemon juice and baking soda. Using a toothbrush, apply it to your teeth and let it sit for 1 minute. Brush your teeth with ordinary toothpaste after rinsing it off with water. While lemon juice includes citric acid, which whitens teeth, baking soda is a natural abrasive that aids in the removal of surface stains. Using a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it about in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with water. Plaque and bacteria that cause tooth deterioration can be removed via oil pulling. Apple cider vinegar. Before brushing your teeth, swish some apple cider vinegar in your mouth for a few minutes. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar dissolves and eliminates tooth stains. Use it with caution. Strawberry paste can be made by mashing a few strawberries and combining them with baking soda. Use a toothbrush to apply it to your teeth, then let it on for 5 minutes. Brush your teeth with ordinary toothpaste after rinsing it off with water. Malic acid, which is present in strawberries, aids in the removal of dental stains. Hydrogen peroxide. Combine 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon of water, then swish the mixture around in your mouth for a few seconds before spitting it out. A whitening substance called hydrogen peroxide eliminates spots from teeth. We sincerely hope that using these natural solutions helped you smile brighter. Before attempting any teeth whitening procedure, keep in mind to speak with your dentist, especially if you have sensitive teeth or gum disease. Subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it for more health and beauty advice.